Another day, another unboxing. Let's see what we got. Oh, I do remember this. I do. I got this one, I believe, on either Poshmark or Mercari. It is a vintage play suit, jumpsuit, and it is Miss Hawaii. Made by Kamehameha. This is gonna be so cute. Yes, I can't wait to wear this. And it is in really good condition, and I also got a really good deal on this. I'm not doing try-ons for the rest of my Viva stuff, so you'll have to stay tuned and see how I style it and everything at Viva. And that's it for now. I have more stuff, so stay tuned for part 5 just today. Okay, that's it. Bye.